Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to add two-step verification on WhatsApp. Before we start our video, let's talk about what is two-step verification. Two-step verification is an extra layer of protection that is set on your certain app to provide you with extra security. Now, without any further ado, we're getting right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our WhatsApp. After opening our WhatsApp, we'll be welcomed in the chat page. On the chat page, on the top, you'll be able to see about three options that are a camera icon, a search bar, and three dots. Here you'll have to tap on three dots. After tapping on three dots, on the very end you'll be able to see option settings. Tap on settings. After tapping on settings, here you'll be able to see various options such as account, privacy, avatar, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on account. After tapping on account, once again you'll get about 5 options. Here, as you saw on the second option, you'll be able to see two-step verification. Here you'll have to tap on it. After tapping on two-step verification, here you'll be set that for extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. On the below, you'll be able to see option turn on. Tap on it. After tapping on turn on, here you will be asked to enter about 6-digit PIN that you can easily remember. After that, you'll have to confirm your PIN. After that, here you will be asked to enter your email address so that you can reset your PIN if you forget it. Click on next. Once again, confirm your email address and tap on save. And as you can see, the two-step verification has been turned on. Tap on done and you're all set. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to add two-step verification on WhatsApp. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.